Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to hide content in your location on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from the web version on your PC. This update changes where certain options are found. So let's go step by step to make it quick and easy. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several icons like Home, Notifications, and Messages. Scroll down and click on the option labeled More. A new menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account and privacy settings are located. Next, choose the section called Privacy and Safety. This category controls how your information is used and what kind of content appears on your feed. Under Privacy and Safety, click on Content You See. This section focuses on personalizing what appears in your timeline and Explore tab. After that, you'll see another option called Explore Settings. Click on it to open more specific controls connected to your location and trending topics. Now look for the option that says Show Content in this location. If it's checked, X will show posts, trends, and topics based on where you are. To stop this, simply uncheck the box. By doing this, you're turning off location-based customization, which means your Explore feed will no longer depend on your physical location. You'll start seeing global or more general trends instead. Once that's done, the change automatically saves. No need to hit a save button. You can leave the settings page and return to your main feed, and your preferences will already be updated. It's that simple. So that's how you can hide content based on your location on X Web from your PC using the latest update. Taking a minute to adjust these settings helps you get a more privacy-friendly, personalized experience every time you scroll.